Hello and welcome. Next I like to show you that how to do this perform test in this Toyota Camry starter and start motor. And this is now Toyota Camry's original this starter, and there is now issue what I am trying to investigate and repair, that the starter don't work as it should be. There is a situation that the starter don't start, and now I need to do a couple of, actually 3 to 4 different kind of tests that what is wrong in this starter. And now this my test is like best this performance test, that how this starter, those core parts are working, like this big electricity motor in here, how it works, and then especially this plunger, that how this moves this starter wheel what is in here. This plunger moves that part in different location when it pull out and pull in, and there is magnetic switch. And now I will show that how to do this basic test number 1, that is this starter totally dead or is this workable, and only we need to clean and maybe replace this magnetic switch, whereas one is in here and second is this opposite side in here. There is this second magnetic switch. Okay, and this test purpose is to test that is this core parts working or not. And for that test I need this Toyota Camry's starter, and this starter is in these year models in 1990 to 2002, and also this same idea we can use in those newer Camry starters. And in this Camry there is a couple of places where we need to connect these electric cables what I have in here, these copper wires, and firstly that part in here, this is the core plus area, and in that area there is this rubber insulation, and in that area becomes this plus big power cable, red cable in here, and then a little bit upper in there is this ignition key, also red cable what generates these starters to run. This is like big electricity in here, and then this is like starter, like spark plug. And then when also both of these lines are red and plus cables, then this plunger hits that in here and this part starts to move in that way. And also of course when we have this battery what is in here, this battery, we need to have also those minus cable area what is in here. Okay, and then when I am doing this test starts so that I need to connect these cables, and firstly I need cable set where is plus and minus cable, and then there are those end parts, they looks in that, and firstly we don't connect these parts in this battery in this first step. It is like last step when we connect these cables in these LED areas in here. Okay, and I start that my job so that I connect first this minus cable in this ground. This is like minus area, all of this covers metallic areas are minus, and only those two places are plus. And this bolt hole in here, it is good. I inserted my cable in here, and then I a little bit rotate that in this way. Okay, there is this connection. Okay, and then I check that is this fastened, and it is fastened place, and then that cable it comes in here in this position in here, and in that position we have to be carefully that this red cable take only contact in this bolt in here. What is that area in here? This red cable can't take contact in here, because then we have this misled wire, and it is bad. We have fuse error, and that's I connect that, and there is bolt where I tighten and fasten this joint. Now it's there well, good. And then next step is that I need extra red cable, because in that area, this is like starting key, I need to connect cable in there, and that's I take now these cables and I connect both of these. When I connect that in here, I insert also that extra second line in there, and I check that it is fastened. There is this starter, and then I connect this my minus cable, because soon we are doing this testing, and now the starter is fine. And when I connect this cable in here directly in that area, these parts should move in that direction and also rotation. And if that works, then the starter is workable. I do only better this head, and when I connect in here, now it works. It moves that in here and start to rotate. Okay, and what is this test result? It tells that my starter is okay, core parts are working, but now only these switches, there can be some issues. Okay, and this is the different video, but this was this performance test in this starter. And thank you for watching this video.